Okay, good. Let's do link encryptors in CyberSage. Claim brief. Help Joe and Kim exchange extremely valuable secret information across a vulnerable communication link. Joe and Kim work to end secret plans in different parts of the city. They have obtained a dedicated communication line between their two office via which they exchange secret information. However, the communication line is vulnerable to wiretaps. Your job is help Joe and Kim secure their communication. Okay. Ito si Joe. May turo ko sa iyo. So, first, we need to buy a link encryptor for Joe. Punta tayo dito sa buy and network device. Then, click natin to, link encrypt, manual key link encryptor. Ito yan, link encryptor. So, buy. And ilagay natin kay Joe. Then, bili ulit tayo ng link encryptor para kay Kim. Then, buy. Tapos ito. Buy natin. Then, click click tab natin para pupunta kay Kim. Ayan. Ayan, ito si Kim. Hmm. Then, second, i-connect natin. Tanggalin natin itong list line. Tapos, yung link encryptor, i-connect natin kay computer, kay Joe Workstation. Link, then connect. Same din dito. Si link encryptor, link, then connect kay Team Workstation. Yan. Then yung link encryptor, i-connect natin. Dapat ano yung set natin. Ang pili kong set dito yung A. Yan. Tapos, connect. A ulit. Kung mali yung set na pinili nyo, hindi yan magkoconnect, magko-corrupt dun. Magko-corrupt ba? Yan. See. Then, start natin. Ayun. Magano na. Napapatuloy yung pera ko. Good job. Good job and Kim, you are safely communicating. Yun ang phase 1. Paano i-solve ang link encryptors? Wait lang natin. Ayun. Good job. But now as but now a year has passed and your crypto key are stale. They need to be changed, either manually change them, which will cost you $30,000 to establish procedures or replace the crypto boxes with the new auto encrypt boxes that are now in catalog via the buy button refers to your objectives. Yun. Tapos na. Yung sinasabi ng auto encrypt, pangit yun, mabilis man nakaw yung mga document doon kaya hindi natin gagamitin yun. Ito yun, oh. Ayan, ito yun. Masyado pang mahal, 9,000 pa. Dalawa pa ang kailangan nating gagamitin. So, kaya hindi na. Ang gagawin natin dito ay palitan lang natin to. Yung key niya. List key. No. Ayun. Kamali ako. Sorry. Link. Then, link. Ang ilagay natin dito sa link encrypt ay C. Yun. Tapos, ito, list. And key na C ulit. Yan. And, hintay lang natin. Hmm. Ayun. Tapos na. Sabi niya dito, good job. You protected the sensitive communication link and keep the keys from getting stale. You properly opted for the manual key management even though it was expensive. The software-based key management in the AutoCrypt has weak assurance kaya pangit yung sinasabi ko and would have led you to disaster. Note, ito tandaan nyo, note, that this scenario is simulated an environment requiring very robust encryption and you pay the price for manual key distribution. Thank you. Salamat sa panonood. Yun lang.